Hey guys, it's Kay with the 10-day challenge. So I started this 10-day challenge about a day ago. So this is an update to tell you how this is going and actually to see if you are on this 10-day challenge as well. So two parts. I'm going to give you a free thing in this video to help you with your challenge if you actually decide to do this challenge. So let me go in and let you know how my day 2 has been. So if you're not familiar, I'm doing a 10-day challenge and I've decided to do my 10-day challenge in the area of weight loss. So with COVID happening, I've been slacking in terms of, getting my exercise and eating properly and all that stuff. So I've gained a bit of weight and it's like, you know what? I need to be back in shape. So I've decided to put a 10-day challenge together, a very short amount of time to kind of boost myself into getting back in my frame of mind in terms of, taking better care of myself. So I've decided to actually do a weight loss challenge. But since we are in the make money online niche, I thought maybe if you are interested in doing, the weight loss with me, that'd be fantastic. But if that's not your thing and you want to do maybe a 10-day challenge and then make money online, then you could certainly do that. What I've done is I've actually put together a worksheet that you could use for either of these challenges, whether it be weight loss or make money online. You could download it and start using it for 10 days. So 10 short days of actually getting some results if you take this challenge with me. So my best friend right now in day number 2 of my weight loss challenge is actually my scale. So, every day I'm planning on going to meet my scale to, in a sense, keep a tally and be accountable for how I'm doing. So the same thing will apply for you if you're in the make money online niche. You need something to keep you accountable for what you're doing. And so today I'm going to give you actually a free thing that you could use to keep accountable in your make money online journey, your 10-day challenge, if that's what you're doing. So, every day I'm getting up, I'm actually jumping on the scale, and I'm doing it where it's incremental, right? I know I can't lose 10 pounds in a day, but if I lose ounces, it's going to add up to pounds. So that's what I'm shooting for, losing ounces at a time. And then over the 10 days, I'll have a big total where I've actually lost some pounds. So I'm going to show you this little tally here. You've probably seen it from my video before when we just started. So this is my goal sheet, and mine is going to be to lose weight. So I've created a 10-day challenge where my goal is to lose weight. So what I put in this slot would be to weight loss. So you could actually have this sheet and download it yourself once I give it to you, and then you could plug in some numbers, if you're looking to make, money online, or if you're looking to lose weight, and then you could put your weight loss goal in here. So I'm actually on day 2. And just to recap how day 2 is going for me, it's actually it's a struggle. I mean, I started off pretty excited about, getting this going, and then I was being very good day 1, and day 2 I realized I was getting back to my bad habits. I wanted to snack more. I didn't want to do too much in terms of exercise and moving around. In fact, I tell myself I was going to go exercise and I never did it. And I tell myself, okay, you shouldn't eat past a certain time, and I did eat past a certain time. So day 2, it's been a struggle where I'm telling myself and getting myself honed in to actually do what I'm supposed to do. So the plan with this day 10-day challenge is really to, shift your mindset to do the work. And this is the challenge for me, show up and do the work. Because if I show up every day and do what I'm supposed to do, this is going to work. But I have to show up and actually do what I'm supposed to do, in a sense, exercise, not overeat, right? Not eat some of the things that I know I shouldn't be eating. So the same thing with you if you're taking a 10-day challenge with the Make Money Online niche. There's certain things you have to do. You have to advertise every day. You have to learn how to do marketing online. So if that's your challenge, right, just stick with it, just like I'm sticking with mine, having my, own challenges in bridging that day 2 and actually sticking with something. The same thing you have to do. So my best friend, as you realize, is the scale, because it has to be. That's how I stay accountable. So if you're on the Make Money Online challenge, you need to be held accountable, right? You want to hold yourself accountable. Like, how am I doing? You want to measure that every day. And the way you want to measure that is actually with something I would call a link tracker that kind of tracks how you're doing. And I use a link tracker myself in all my online marketing business, where I track and see how many, in a sense, clicks I'm getting to my pages, or how many people are visiting my pages. And if you're trying to make money online, you realize the goal is always about traffic, getting lots of traffic to your offer. So if you're, doing the 10-day challenge with the Make Money Online niche, you want to be held accountable where you're saying, okay, how many clicks am I getting to my page? Because that's what's going to make the difference in you making money, right? You have to get the traffic to your page. So you need a way to measure how much traffic you're getting to your page to know that you are getting traffic to your page. And what you can actually use to do that is called a tracker that kind of measures and tells you if you've gotten clicks to your page that day. So you definitely want to get lots of clicks to your page every day. So your goal would be to advertise so you get clicks to your page or traffic to your pages every day. So I actually use a software that generates me these links. So you want to, in a sense, shorten your links, because if you get an affiliate link, what's going to happen is it's going to be a very long link. And I'll show you what that could look like. I copy the link. We're going to paste it there. So this is the link I'm actually going to give you for the download page of this worksheet that you could download and copy. Now, if you notice, this sheet is extremely long. This website address is extremely long. So if I was to give you this website address, it'd be very ugly. Going, my goodness, it's such a long website address. So the same thing happens with your personal affiliate link when you're marketing. It's a long link that people, sometimes don't like seeing. But if you shorten it and make it a cute little link, someone is more apt to click on it. So that's what I use in my business, is I shorten my links, and you can see my link here. And if I click on get link, you'll see that it's just a short little tiny link that I could use to paste anywhere to get people to click on it. But here's why this is so good. You're able to track and see how many clicks you got to your pages when you use these, they call them URL shorteners. It also tracks whenever someone clicks on it, tells you that, okay, someone clicked on it, went to your site. You can see just by looking at this that I had 223 hits to this page. Different things that I've tested, 73 hits. And so I've tested quite a few pages, 210 hits there, 189, over 2,000 hits to that page. So you can see that this is a tool that you could definitely use to measure your success, right? How much people you're getting to your business if you're actually taking the Make Money Online challenge. So just like how I'm using the scale to kind of measure my progress every day, you want to use something like a URL shortener that measures the amount of traffic is going to your page, so you could measure how you're doing every day. So I use, like I mentioned, a software that does this for me. So if you want this, definitely comment and let me know if you want to look at the software I'm using. But I'm going to give you a free software that you could use if you don't already have one, that will do the same thing. So this software is called Bitly, and if you just Google it, it's called Bitly. You could actually sign up for a free account. Now, when you sign up for a free account, you get a free account, and then you're able to, come here once you create a free account and hit create, and that will create little tiny links for you. So if I hit create, this page comes up, and it says Bitly, and it says paste your long URL. So I'm going to paste that long URL that you could use to download the worksheet. And it comes back with this tiny little link right there that you could actually copy and paste. And so that's it. You get a short, tiny little link that you're able to copy. And it also lets you customize it. So if you don't like this, it automatically gives you a dummy, code behind it. But if you want to put something in this that's memorable to your client, so let's say this Bitly is for your business opportunities. So let's say this is making money. So you could put make money with Tom. And so you know what business that is. So if you have your username, you can put your username in there. So to the business opportunity, or put whatever you want. And then you could copy the link. And so this is the link you're giving someone. When they copy it, and I'm going to paste it in my browser here, and hit enter, Perfect. You'll see it brings me back to the same page of the 10-day challenge, that worksheet that you get to download. So that's what I pasted in there. So a quick little thing that you're able to use in your business if you're actually using the 10-day challenge to make money online. If that's your challenge, then this tool will help you measure how you're doing. So that was a quick tip, guys. I hope you're, if you're taking a challenge with me, you're having good success, that your day 2 is going very well. And actually, if you wouldn't mind, if you would comment below this video, if you are doing the 10-day challenge, and let me know how you're doing, how you're feeling, right? If you're feeling still motivated, if you're feeling a little down, whatever it might be, because, the more you get feedback or you actually talk about these things, the more you could work through them. If you try and stay silent and sometimes work through some things, it's like it's a losing battle. You're just in your head and you don't work through those things, and so you don't progress any further. So that's it, guys, for my day 2. I'm still hanging in there, pumped, very pumped and psyched to actually get this challenge done and actually get the rewards of, losing the weight that I want to weight, the weight that I want to lose. So quick thing, if you want to take this challenge with me, of course, download the worksheet. And if you're doing the weight loss, you can follow along and, let me know how your progress is. If you're looking to make money online and you don't have a business that you can make money online with, in the description, you'll also find a free business opportunity that you could actually use to do the 10-day challenge with me as well. So thanks for listening to this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video when I give you an update of how my 10-day challenge is going.